Hi everyone. In this video, I wanted to go over some of the things that you'll need to know for your Chapter 4 assignment. There's just a couple things that are a little bit different than the previous assignments, so I just wanted to kind of give you a heads up. So I'm in the Blackboard course website, and let's go ahead and click on the Chapter 4 assignment link here on the Course Tools menu. And as usual, step one, I'm going to have you do your SimBook chapter. So you'll go, click on the SimNet course link and complete that. Then when you come back, you're going to start on the pause and practice exercises. And you have 3 files that you need to download before you get started. One is an Excel file, one is a Word file, and this top one is a text file. So downloading the text file is a little different than downloading either an Excel or Word file. So I do have this video here that I encourage you to watch just to give you some more information on how to get your file downloaded. It's a short video, but hopefully it'll save you some time. So then you'll go ahead and work on your pause and practice exercises. I also wanted to let you know that I do have some videos here. Again, I'm on the Chapter 4 assignments page. There's several concepts in this chapter that a lot of people haven't worked with before, so sometimes it takes a little bit to understand them. So there is this video here which talks about working with advanced filters in Excel. The next video is creating creating subtotals in an Excel worksheet, and then the last one is using GoalSeek. So I certainly hope that you can use these videos. I hope they'll come in handy as you're going through not only the pause and practice but also your projects. And don't forget, as usual, I do have the solution file here for all of the pause and practice exercises for Chapter 4. So now, after you have submitted your work for the pause and practice, then you'll go on to your projects. So for the guided project 4-3 and the independent project for Chapter 4, which is 4-5, you'll notice that I have a note here and it says there's an additional file to download for this project. You're going to use the resources link to find that additional file. So what you can do is come over to, let's see, I'll go back to assignments just so you can see. So let's say I'm in my class, and whatever Excel class you're in, it doesn't need to be this exact one. So I'm going to click on the guided project, and here we go. So you'll see that as usual there's the instruction file, there's your start file, and then right here it says resources, and it does say it's required. Now if we look at the instructions for the guided project 4-3, you'll notice here's where you start working with your start file, and then you're going to do some steps, and then as we continue on in step 9 is where you're going to need this file called, it's a CSV file, and you're actually importing it into your Excel spreadsheet. So we want to make sure obviously that you have this file downloaded. So let's go back to the project page. So what I want to do is I'm going to click on this link under resources, and I'm using the Chrome browser window. Depending on what browser you're using, might be a little different, but basically it comes up down here. I can see that the file is ready for me to download and do something with it. It is a zipped folder, so I can just go ahead and click on it. And notice that it comes up as resources.zip, even though there's only one file in here. But I do have to extract the file before I can work on it. So let's go ahead and click on extract. And I'll say extract all, even though there's only one file. So now here's where I can browse and put the file in whatever folder that you want, that's appropriate. So I could put it like I have just this pretend folder on my desktop, so wherever you're keeping all of your class files. So let's say I'm going to put it in there. So I double clicked on that. I'll say Chapter 4. So then I'll say select folder. So now I've told it the location, and I want to click on extract. Okay, good. So it automatically takes me over here, and you can see here's the file that I just extracted. So now I will be able to use that in my project. So the main thing is you want to download the zipped folder, and then you do have to extract the file before you can work on it. Let's go back to assignments, and you'll see for the independent project 4-5, it's the same type of thing. So anytime you see something additional under resources, and obviously it says it's required, that means that's where you're going to find the additional files that you'll need for the project. Okay, so I hope this is helpful. Let me know if you have any questions, and good luck with Chapter 4.